Hey there, fellow cocktail explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're setting sail on a journey to the shores of tropical bliss as we dive into the world of the American Piña Colada. Get ready to uncover lesser-known facts that add a splash of intrigue to this beloved classic. Origins of Paradise. Let's start our voyage by delving into the history of the Piña Colada. While often associated with Caribbean getaways, did you know that the drink's origins trace back to Puerto Rico? It's a delightful blend of rum, pineapple, and coconut cream that was officially declared the island's national drink in 1978. Birth of the blender era. Now, here's a tidbit that might surprise you: the Piña Colada is credited with kickstarting the blender era of cocktails. Its frothy texture and refreshing taste made it a perfect candidate for blending, and it played a pivotal role in shaping the way cocktails are prepared today. A toast to a song. Have you ever raised your Piña Colada-filled glass to the sound of music? The song, Escape, the Piña Colada song, by Rupert Holmes, released in 1979, skyrocketed the cocktail's popularity. It's not just a drink, it's a melody that transports us to sun-soaked beaches. Piña Colada without the rum? Think you need rum for an authentic Piña Colada experience? Think again. There's a non-alcoholic version of this cocktail known as the Virgin Piña Colada, which captures the tropical essence without the alcoholic kick. It's a refreshing option for all ages. The Piña Colada's global spread. While born in Puerto Rico, the Piña Colada's allure has crossed oceans and borders. From poolside bars to high-end lounges, this cocktail has found a home in various settings across the world. Its sweet, fruity profile resonates universally. The art of mixing. Let's commence our journey by uncovering the intricate art of mixing that brings the Piña Colada to life. It's not just about tossing ingredients together. It's a precise blend of pineapple juice, coconut cream, and rum that must be perfectly balanced to create that signature velvety texture. Evolving Piña pleasures. Here's a fascinating twist: the Piña Colada's recipe has evolved over the years. While the original called for heavy cream, the modern version often employs coconut cream, adding a layer of richness that beautifully complements the tropical flavors. Sailing to popularity. Ahoy, pop culture enthusiasts! Did you know that the Piña Colada made a splash in the world of pop culture before it even became a drink? The term Piña Colada was used in a Spanish pirate story, adding an adventurous flair long before it adorned cocktail menus. Piña Colada, the official toast. Raise your glasses to the official toast of Puerto Rico, the Piña Colada. This iconic cocktail was not only declared the national drink but was also designated as the official welcoming beverage for foreign dignitaries visiting the island. Now that's a hearty welcome. Traveling beyond the Caribbean, the Piña Colada's popularity has led to creative infusions around the world. Variations like the spicy Piña Colada, with chili-infused pineapple, or the tiki colada, with a dash of exotic spices, showcase its adaptability and versatility. Piña Colada mocktails. Don't let the absence of alcohol dampen your tropical spirit. The Piña Colada lends itself beautifully to mocktails, offering a non-alcoholic option that captures the essence of a sun-soaked beach getaway without the buzz. Piña Colada innovations. Innovation knows no bounds in the world of mixology. Piña Colada-flavored desserts, frozen treats, and even coffee have emerged, allowing enthusiasts to savor the essence of this classic cocktail in unexpected ways. And there you have it, cocktail adventurers' hidden treasures that elevate the American Piña Colada from a mere drink to a cultural and culinary experience. From its careful mixing to its global infusions, from its historic ties to its innovative forms, the Piña Colada is a sip of paradise in every sense. If these lesser-known Piña Colada revelations have sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like and subscribe for more flavorful expeditions into the world of mixology. Until our next exotic escapade, remember to sip responsibly and indulge in the tropical magic. Cheers and Piña Colada dreams!